You searched how to buy shares of SKK Holdings Ltd, a company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker SKK and active in industrial manufacturing. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. You need a broker to trade SKK, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker SKK and locate the correct listing. Confirm you have the NASDAQ listing to avoid the wrong company. Open the SKK stock page to review the company summary and the price chart. Check the company description and NASDAQ ticker to confirm it is the right asset. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is placed, your SKK position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same process.